Okay, Brad. Let's go right now. Repeat after me. One way, one life.
One way, one life.
One fraternity.
One fraternity.
The Zeta Pi Omega.
Zeta Pi Omega.
The Lomex the Setans. The Master of Men.
The Master of Men.
Promoter of Peace.
Promoter of Peace.
Law abiding.
Law abiding.
All Setans are God-fearing.
All Setans are God-fearing.
And scholastically inclined.
As scholastically inclined.
All Setans are equal.
All Setans is equal.
All Setans are Setans.
All Setans is all Setans.
Until death.
Until death.
God bless.
God bless.
Afternoon, brother and sis. Lalo sa Ability Chapter. Siya nga pala, ako nga pala si Brad Kimi. Under ng Manila Chapter. Survive 2005 ng Pagalian Chapter sa Bunga Luzon. At the same time, kabahagi ng council ng Manila